them up.
Yeah,
yeah.
What do we want to do when we're done? Split it 3 ways?
Yeah. All right, Dylan, catch another one on the camera.
Okay.
Dude, I can't even get a fucking hit.
Hits bottom.
I'm in the same spot and I can't get it.
Dude, look at the cooler. Look at the cooler, because I caught all those.
Dude, I'm in the same spot. I can't even get a hit.
Jose's bad luck. He got me.
Hector's having a bad time.
Hector's
Got me catching these little guys now.
Hector's having a hard time hitting anything.
Saturday night and the moon is out, just a shining over top of the pines. I'm headed on down to my baby's house, gonna take her on a midnight ride down them back roads, winding up at a Kickapoo Creek, dancing and singing to some good old boys like me. Baby, there's a shooting star, that one's for me and you. So hold me tight and make that wish and pray that it comes true. Now I ain't sure of much, but this I know, I got a diamond in my pocket and my baby's got a heart of gold. I brought along a little courage and a Coleman cooler just to help me out. My hands are shaking like a cane brake rattler, nothing's gonna save me now. Might as well jump in head first, lay it all on the line. What am I worried about? Never gonna be a more perfect time. 'Cause baby, there's a shooting star, that one's for
Short and fat.
I think that might have to go in the video.
Short and fat?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Get him.
That's a big one.
That's a bass, bro. Get his ass.
Little large jaw for Hector. Well, he's got the variety today. Look at that fucking fish. Why?
Chubby stubby.
Hold it up for fucking this.
Open it up.
They're pretty good today. 71 fish. Yeah, man.
71, that's not bad.
71.
Quality.
Duck season is
Quality.
this weekend, so it was nice to take a break and, you know, get some footage for you guys.
And